This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Your Vivo is unlocked, backed up, and you know the Google or Vivo account tied to apps. Now go straight to Settings and tap Apps or App Management to list installed apps. Once there, scroll or use Search to find Voice Recorder. This avoids deleting the wrong app. Make sure you're not in a restricted profile. The goal here is to reach the app info screen so you can see storage, permissions, and uninstall options. On the app info page, first clear data and cache to remove recordings and settings. This prevents leftover files. Next, tap Uninstall. If it's unavailable, choose Disable to stop it running and hide it. If you still can't remove it, open the three-dot menu or filter to show system apps, because some Vivo builds treat Voice Recorder as a system component. Once you've cleared data and chosen Uninstall or Disable, make sure to reboot so changes apply cleanly and storage updates. After uninstalling or disabling, reboot your Vivo to finalize the change. This ensures the app no longer appears and frees storage. If recordings persist, open Files or Settings Storage MISC files to manually delete leftover audio. If the app returns after an update, go to Play Store Manage Apps and disable auto updates for that app or uninstall updates in Settings apps. If you hit errors, reset app preferences rather than a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.